What wheels do you recommend for the lightest application in a B9.5 RS5? Are 20 by 10 forged wheels with a 285 or 295. Is that this one?
No, it's this one right here.
Oh, okay. Let's grab one of those. So this is very light.
You're freakishly strong.
Yeah, well, I'm also very strong. No, I don't know what these were, but they're. I mean, it's about as light as you can get while not being super bendy and flexy. Or you could run our 19 by 9.3 ET38 with a 285. That would be even lighter. But this I think is going to be a better setup.
Yeah.
And a little extra weight will be worth it to get a really nice big contact patch.
It's still way lighter than stock. Extra weight compared to the 19, but yeah, or the 19.
It's still much lighter than stock. Yeah, if I remember, I think those are 22 or 23 pounds. I mean, they're compared to, I don't know what the factory wheel is, probably like 30.
I believe it's lighter than the flow form a little bit.